Hey guys, welcome back to the NBTXliving channel. Today we're touring another one of the homes in the Presa Point subdivision. Today we're looking at the Aubrey floor plan. It's a 1,500 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This particular one is still under construction, so you can see, it's missing some appliances. There's a little bit of mess here and there. There's a board upstairs. Let's go take a look at it.